Hey, we're about to have an announcement. Welcome to EURUSD. And the announcement is the ADP non-farm data, employment data. It probably already came out. You can see the market is moving. It's going haywire, up, down, up, down. The spreads are huge. Look at the spreads. It's got 5-point spread. I think the market froze. Okay, the news is good. The news is good, so we're gonna sell. We're selling. Let's see what happened. Up and it went down. And we're selling. Let's sell again here, but no need. The market will drop. It will drop like a rock. Watch the market drop. Oh, I think fair target would be here. But yeah, it's EURUSD and welcome comrades. I'm sorry I brought you in suddenly, so quickly, without any introduction. We were kind of running out of time. I'm making a shitload of money. So this is called news trading. It's one of the most advanced forms of trading. I don't recommend it if you're a beginner. Yeah, I make it look very easy. Again, I've traded for 3 years. I know kind of what I'm doing. I'm not an expert, but I to some extent know what I'm doing. And yes, here I am selling the euro and buying the USD. The euro US. The euro is the base currency, the USD is the term currency. And it's very important. We want to break the 100% mark. We probably will. We probably will. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. It's early on. It's only been 1 minute, almost 2 minutes. Oh wow, the time is frozen. I think there's too much data at the moment. It will fall. It will fall. Don't worry. We'll make a ton of money. So you're probably thinking, how much money is invested? Let me put it this way. Enough to buy 2 decent cars. Okay, about $70,000. Okay. Now it's not money I owe. I borrowed it. So this is how it works. You put in deposit, and you use that deposit to borrow money. And I use my money to borrow more money, which sounds very financy and complicated, but it's not. It's pretty simple, and you'll get a hang of it if you ever do trade, or if you already are trading, you'll know what I mean. So yes, I didn't tell you too much about the ADP non-farm employment change that just came out about 4 minutes ago now. It was actually positive for the US economy, and if it's positive for the US economy, it's bad for the euro, good for the USD. And look at it. The drop in the value of the euro must have wiped out several stop losses, must have changed many positions. I'm sure people are still contemplating, thinking about selling the euro and buying the US, and probably in the next 30 minutes or so, we're gonna get a lot more selling. If not, I'll be surprised, but sometimes it happens. Oh, I haven't put any stop losses. I should put a stop loss. 200 plus 20 points. Just about where I want it. Let's see. A bit higher. I'm not setting a take profit target. Usually I set my take profit target twice my stop loss. Not in this case, because the market will move a lot. And I want to take every dollar I can. Every single drop. Give me that money. So we already look at it. We're selling, and look at the ton of money we're making. It's a very riskless trade, in my opinion, for a few reasons. Now, again, don't do it. If you ever see news and you think it's a good time to buy and sell, if you don't know what you're doing, just don't do it. Simple. Don't do it. The reason for my trade is, look at this, look at this. There's been a range going on since the 25th of July to now, about a week. About one trading week's worth of a trade range. Undecided. Nothing happens. Prices get pushed down, gets pushed up. And the non-farm employment data. It comes out every month at least once. From what I understand, I could be wrong. And it does come out. Look at it. It moves the market. It moves the market. It moves it ferociously. It moves it with a vengeance. It moves it with a mission, and the mission is to move it somewhere. And what I did was I decided to sell in the middle of the week. Alright, I'll put it on a brief pause. Let's see what happens in the next 5 minutes. Please follow me. Welcome back. Alright, so in another 30 seconds, we've got another major news announcement coming up. The quarterly figures. Look, those spreads are starting to get bigger. Look at the volatility. The market was pushed up and pushed down. The spreads are getting spreadier, I suppose, wider. 10 seconds. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. And the clock froze. Internet's gone. That usually happens when the market is like this, as it is. Okay, the figures are good. The market will drop like bad shit from a cave. Let's just watch the action. Come on, market, come back to us. We're still short, we're still recording. Let me see what's going on. This sometimes happens when really dramatic news comes out. Everything freezes, market is overwhelmed, people are shorting left and right. I'll pause the video shortly and try to fix this. 1 moment. And we're back. Look at that, look at that. The market's dropped. Look at that, beautiful. That's 30 points. That's 30 points, 35 points. I'm going to take the profit. Let me see. Actually, that's more like almost 50 points. I took almost 50 points here, boys and girls. That's 50 points on $70,000. It's no laughing matter. Almost 50 points. What do you say to that? Anyone? Okay. So what other important news just came out? It was the advanced GDP quarterly figures. American economy is supposedly much better than forecasted by analysts say, but what do analysts know? They're not traders, they're just analysts. I'm a trader, I trade and made money. Made a lot of money. With little risk. As you can see, look at that. That's about 20 minutes worth of work, about 4 days worth of salary. Not bad. Not bad. In 1 day, right? Okay, very good. That's it. Any questions? Put it in the comment box. I'll try to answer them in the next video. How to trade? Ask me. I don't mind. I think we're going to get a very sure trend now. Look at it. We're getting a trend. Most likely getting a trend. I mean, I can't guarantee it. It does look like a trend. We'll see in the next few hours. It's very interesting. Beautiful. I love my Euro-US pairs. Crosses. Love them. Pairs and crosses. Do you know the difference? Put it in the comment box if you know the difference.